Hello and welcome to another in our video series presenting an overview of production module in SAP Business One. In this session, we will cover disassembly production orders. Normally when you think of production orders, or production in general, you think about creation. Basically, taking a list of components according to a bill of materials and creating a finished good and placing that into inventory. However, there is also a way to do the opposite. Basically, to take a finished good and explode it back down into its components, therefore placing the components in inventory, in stock in inventory, and taking that finished good out of inventory. To do that in Business One, you do a production type of a disassembly. The product that we will use will be our finished good number 100. The bill of materials loads in as per normal. But of course, you can edit it. For example, it doesn't make much sense that the labor would be put back into stock when you take apart a finished good. So we will remove the two labor rows. And maybe we'll say once the paint is applied, it can't be unapplied. So we will remove that row as well. So we will say we'll have a disassembly production order, placing the two inventory components back in stock, 2 units of component 1 and 1 unit of component 200. We'll add that, come back and set that disassembly production order to a release status as we would do with any production order. We are now ready to report the completion of this production order. To do that, right-click, Report Completion. The issue for production is created. And what it's doing is it's basically going to be an issue for production because it is going to take this finished good 100 out of stock. So whereas on a standard production order, the receipt for production was created from report completion, in a disassembly, the issue for production is what's created. So it is finished good 100. A quantity of 1 will be issued out. And we will go ahead and add that. And the issue for production is completed. The disassembly is done. We could have also done the direct method. So let's create a second disassembly production order. Through the wonders of video editing, we are now faced with a released disassembly type production order number 172 for finished good 100. For the direct method, we choose issue for production. As explained before, since we will be taking the finished good out of inventory, we will use an issue for production. We will find the disassembly production order by choosing the disassembly order button in the lower right-hand corner. Choose 172. Choose the add button. Enter our warning message, and the disassembly is now complete. To see the effect of our disassembly, we look now at the inventory audit report, and we can see that the finished good FG100 has been taken out of stock. The quantity has been decremented by a quantity of 1, and the two components have been placed back in stock, 2 units of component 100 and 1 unit of component 200. That concludes our session on disassembly production orders in the overview of the production order module in SAP Business One. We hope that you found the session worthwhile, and we hope that you watch the other sessions in the video series. Thank you.